Diarrhea means either you are getting loose watery stools or the frequency of your stools has increased or both. Soluble fiber-rich foods are generally good for quick relief from diarrhea. In this short video we will take a closer look at the use of psyllium husk for diarrhea relief. We will also discuss how to use it for best results. One of the biggest confusion comes from the use of psyllium husk is that it is commonly known as a natural laxative. So how can it be good for diarrhea? Before we discuss how it works, let's first understand two important aspects of diarrhea that require resolution. 1. You lose fluids in diarrhea and you experience abdominal cramps. 2. You lose electrolytes so you will feel dehydrated. That is why treating diarrhea is not just restricted to stopping the watery stools. It also involves replenishing the lost minerals in diarrhea and resulting dehydration. Psyllium husk does the first part of the job. It bulks the stool and stops diarrhea. You still need to replenish lost electrolytes and water by other methods. In fact, for all kinds of diarrhea treatments, be it a prescription medication or home remedy like use of psyllium, you always need to replenish lost electrolytes by additional treatment. Psyllium is a soluble fiber which is not absorbed by the body. So it passes through your stools without adding any nutrients. But it absorbs fluids. As a result, it adds bulk to the stools. It is this capability of psyllium and other soluble fibers to convert watery stools to solid bulk stool helps to stop diarrhea. The simplest way to consume it is to mix 1 teaspoon of psyllium husk or powder in a glass of warm water and drink. If you don't get psyllium husk or powder, then you can buy it in a tablet or capsules form. One of the characteristics of soluble fiber is that it takes away many nutrients like zinc, phosphorus, iron and calcium along with it. So use it only when you have occasional diarrhea. Psyllium husk is generally safe, but it may cause allergies in some people. The bottom line is, psyllium husk is good to stop diarrhea. Don't overconsume it. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.